Hey YouTube, Scott with Donut's Garage. How you doing today? Well, the big question of the day, should you spend your hard-earned money on the Smittybilt G.E.A.R custom seat covers for the Jeep J.E.A.R? Let's find out. Now the first thing that I did was treat the seats and clean them with a saddle soap type material. It was really evident before I put the saddle soap on. All right in here is starting to wear out, and that's just from sliding into the seat. So seat covers will take care of that. Bam! I decided to go with the G.E.A.R custom fit front seat covers by Smittybilt for the Jeep. One bottom, two bottom. One headrest, two headrest. Silica wraps, yay! One back, two back. No instructions. Oh no! We don't need no stinking instructions. Here we go. Boom. Yeah, I'm pretty confident that didn't work the way it should have worked. But let's go anyways. The first thing I'm going to do is undo the snaps for the straps. Notice it does have a pocket in the front. That's pretty nice. And then it just has your typical clips that snap together on the bottom side. There's a left and a right. Oops. Now just shove your little straps through the back side and bottom. On the back side of the seat, there's a flap. You just have to finagle the straps between the seat back and the seat bottom and clip them. That looks really good. Now I just got to do the side to side. See what that looks like. Now it's just a matter of taking the headrest out. And there's a button right here you can't really see to get that up. And then you got your other one right here. This is on the outside of the seat. This raises and lowers or allows you to raise and lower your headrest. On the inboard side, towards the center of the seat, pointing the center of the seat, there's a button there that you have to just press to release your headrest. Headrest comes out. This simply goes up and over. And then you have a flap here that goes underneath, and that looks like it's going to be a pain in the butt. Here's the flap that we need to tuck in underneath this, and it's hard to getting these straps in for the bottom, so this isn't going to be fun. Also, here's the side flap area for the side airbag, so we'll get that taken care of. Alright, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to run paracord through the pull loops. And shove the paracord through. There's the paracord. There's the paracord. That makes that easy. There's the two straps. And tuck your Velcro before we do the headrest, let's just tuck this in. Again, this airbag flap. This may actually be easier on the seat, but who knows, besides the shadow. Well, let's simply put the seat back, or headrest back on. Other than the zippered pocket in the front, it looks just like the standard seat cover until you get to the back. You have MOLLE on your headrest, you have MOLLE on the back of the seat, you have a pocket, and you have MOLLE in between the seats. Alright, we got an American flag patch. Stitching on it leaves a bit to be desired. And we get a total, grand total, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pouches. Alright, this is my Gray Man Tactical MOLLE pouch that I've had for a while. Got Kleenexes in this pouch, my little flashlights here, and my seatbelt cutters here. Passenger side, I've got my headlight, I've got a flashlight pouch on the side, and a tool pouch on the back. And then I have the first aid kit, and then a large stuff sack, which I have my gloves in. And then on the side, I have the compass pouch, which I think I'm going to put a Ziploc baggie full of stevia and stuff like that for the wife's coffee. And just like that, seat covers are installed. I don't know that I'm going to keep the pouches where they're at. We'll find out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Have yourself a blessed day, and I'll let you know what I think of the seat covers after a while. Alright, I'm back. It's been a couple weeks. Let me tell you what I think of these seat covers. Again, put the seat covers in to protect this portion of the seat bottom. It was starting to wear out from sliding in. So yes, the seat covers are doing their job. They're protecting the seat. One of the issues I have is down here, when I slide out of the seat cover just shuffles over or slides over and kind of looks not real good. The fix is pretty simple. Just kind of slide it back over in place, tuck it back in, and call it good. So, all in all, I do think the seat covers are worth the money. I think they're doing what they're supposed to do. I'm pretty happy with them, and I'd probably buy them again. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. See you next week.